An absolutely amazing find, bought direct from the last owner. This is absolutely incredibly totally cherished BMW Z4 3-litre. It's the sDrive automatic, 6-speed automatic, with £4,655 worth of factory fitted options. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Finishing crimson red with the full black leather upholstery. It's got the sport seats, it's got the heated seats. Incredible mileage of just 19,172. The car is registered in September 2010 on a 60 plate. Great looking sports coupe, Stoke Roadster. Simply absolutely gleaming away. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Can't stress how nice the car is. Great fun car. .3-litre 6-cylinder smooth engine, 254 brake horsepower. Looks great with the hood down. It's got the fully electric hardtop as well. All season car. Again, looking fabulous with the hood up as well. The car is just gorgeous. Just one touch, the hood fully operates. Incredible piece of work. Other options on this car include the 18-inch V-spoke alloy wheels, connectivity package, sport seats, heated seats, cruise control with brake function, interior aluminium trim, the full black Kansas leather. Just look at that hood. Incredible how it just folds away in the boot. Of course, it's got automatic lights, it's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Leather multifunctional sport steering wheel with a paddle shift gear change. The last owner even went to the attention of having the all underneath fully professionally undersealed to make sure this car doesn't rust away in any way for many years to come. Headlight power washers. A great car. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, click and reserve. Any further details, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss this very low mileage, absolutely exceptional example of a Z4. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.